Hello guys and welcome to a backtesting video. Today I want to do a quick backtest session while filming it. Maybe I'll upload this, maybe I won't, I'll see. Let's see, test 1-1. Let's just get right into it. Account and then queue. Okay, whatever. We go random, create session, and let's get into it. I will be explaining daily bias, traits, everything. I'll go through it. Let me remove this. This is the first thing I do. Then right here, let's see if we have the settings. We do. Let's just go to New York session. Let me set up also this. Okay, so let's go. This is when 5th May 2022. Okay, so first off, I just marked out where the day started, then start of London session. I mark out my session draw and liquidity, then my other draws or highs and lows that I care about. So right here you can see I'm marking out all of this stuff. We have a lot of relative equal highs above. We have this unmitigated 1 hour. If we go ahead, I want to check if this is rebalanced, and what we can see, it's, wait, my bad, I didn't see it really rebalance this range. We didn't. Okay, so I can go ahead and mark this out like this. My bad, wrong high, like this. Okay, so we do have to rebalance this lag. Okay, so this looks like we also have, oh my god, so much draws on liquidity higher. Then we look at NQ, similar story. Let's mark out all of these. Start of the day, London session. Mark out our highs. This is London high. Another swing high, swing high. Then we also care about this one. Okay, so we have S&T with this high. And right here, this buy side. I don't expect it to get ran today, but still got to keep in mind. We have this high, intermediate high is side of a fair value gap. We can look at the, my bad, we can look at the daily. We are not close to all-time highs. We are actually pretty bearish on the high time frame. We've swapped sell side and now kind of starting to get some displacement back above. So I would most likely like to see a good scenario longing into this daily fair value gap and the intermediate on the NQ I really like this 15 gap, 5 gap. We have this relative equal lows as well, I mean intermediate low right there. If you look at the hourly, we do have some bearish fair value gaps here, so this could be another thing. Also, London just dropped lower, so that is also one thing. We have this intermediate, or I call that buy side as well. Then we got this hourly that I care about right here. If we look just at the impulse lag, because we might want to just rebalance that, we have it really well aligning with this. I'm pretty sure we also have a data low below. Whatever. This, I mark out this. Okay, so yeah, it aligns decently. Let's see if this is a data low. No, it's not, my bad. Let me just do this as well and ES real quick. Also, my bad for going through the time frames and all of that's a little bit slower, but I'm not on my regular mouse, so it's a little bit weird. Not really usual. So what I would like to see, either side get manipulated, trade opposite, so either this hourly or wherever we decide to go. We can see us going lower, Anki already tapping it, V-shape back above. Okay, yeah, 5 minutes. Okay, so preferably I'd still like for ES to tap into this, but I don't really mind. I do count these as SMTs, but I don't really care about SMTs that much. 15 minute, 5 minute, oh my bad, that's 3 minute, 5 minute. Okay, so the next 5 minute gap is up here. So that's a potential break-even point if I was to take this trade. Then we have a 2 minute right there, and not at the 1 minute. So I just wait for one more candle. We did get this clean inversion right here, straight V shape, but I want to wait for one more. And yes, that's exactly why I faded. One thing, this is a little bit more discretionary though. Um, so yes, has not tapped into our point of interest. We do have like a valid bullish SMT in my opinion. I count this as bullish SMTs, but this is the manipulation lag that New York AM made. This is also New York AM week. It's not so good, but still decent. It's a high. But we didn't really inverse this lag. Like we just like, how can I, let's like, we displaced above equilibrium of this little manipulation lag, but still just kind of wasn't confident enough. I guess a little bit more discretionary to fade this. Okay, so now we're just starting to chop higher. Okay, now I'm pretty sure right here we could get some buys. Let's see how we react to CE. We just keep on dumping. Okay, so right here we are looking to inverse this on the hourly. So then potentially some good sells into here. Let's see some internal structure. Big wick. Okay, huge 5 minute though, so could see some support right there as well. So right now I wouldn't really take any trades. I would just wait for 10 a.m. to open up, see where we manipulate, and then go based off that. So we can see 10 a.m. open just like right here. The 10 a.m. opened into this last five in the bullish lag we have. We also rebalanced the impul the im impul impulsive lag, my bad. Oh my god. So right here, okay, it's just dumped through it. Damn. Okay. So this is pretty bearish to me. We could still potentially react, but this is a day I really the days I don't like, because we have this strong move up and then we just dump through it in New York, and like we just dump and dump with no pullbacks, nothing, just straight up dump. So this is where 10 a.m. opened. We still have no manipulation above, so long still not too bad. Won't take that. Let's see. I'm just looking for something that looks great, to be honest, but we don't really have anything for now though. Let's see if the 5 minute closes below this on ES. Let's see how we react right here. Okay, so 5 minute inverse this last fair value gap in the lag. We are heading for the sell side, so let's see right here. I wouldn't be taking the fives. I want to see 15-minute pullback, so preferably up here. But it's kind of a problem, because by then I can also see us just going above, since we have to rebalance this range and also manipulate 10 a.m. because we still haven't. You can also see we're kind of starting to get this staircase lower, just more low resistance, not so much actual displacement anymore. The hour is also getting pretty late, so that's one thing I want to watch out on. I probably won't be taking any trades on this day. Let's see if we get any. Okay, let's see what we did on NQ right there. Okay, we still haven't swapped sell side. Okay, so that's it for the first day. No trades for me. Just kind of dumped through all of the gains we had right here. Now let's just go into the next day. Again, start off by marking out daily open, London high. We can see that we swapped it out. So yeah, this is one POI. I like this bearish fair value gap. It has a engineered liquidity right below it, so that's good. We also have this previous day low to sweep out that we just etched. My bad. Then going over to ES, let's see what are we doing right here. We are respecting this hourly. So the same engineered high right here. I'm a big fan of this drawn liquidity higher. Whether we manipulate there or distribute there, I don't really care. My bad. This is sell side. Okay. Then yeah. Okay. So we do also have a bullish SMT right here. 4 hour inverse, we dumped through that. Daily absolutely dumped as well. Okay, so looking at the weekly as well. Okay, so right here I can clearly see we're heading for this intermediate low, and from there on I can, yeah, I can honestly see some longs again, unless we want a stronger pullback lower, but I doubt that. Right here, let's see this weekly low, we still haven't taken it. Okay, so that's a good draw as well. Then we have this daily sell side down here, so just some draws that are marking out lower. Also, if we look into this, okay, so we have a nice 4 hour gap, so I'm looking for longs from this low. Oh my god, my FX replay is lagging, my bad. Let's see, okay, I don't know. ES. Okay, you know what? Let's just see what happens. This is a protected low if we're bullish, but I doubt it. Wait, just this. Okay, so previous day low, that's still our objective as well. Then I'm looking for this intermediate to either act as a reversal point or a good draw on liquidity. So let's see which one ends up actually playing out. I just want to check on the 5 minute. Okay, really clean bullish lag, so I can for sure see some more longs right there. We also have this relative equal highs and low resistance higher, so one thing to watch out. Okay, yeah, so let's just start skipping. Let's see. Okay, nice. We left New York AM Vic to the upside, which is good. We now just want to see manipulation lower, preferably into previous day low, and then just getting some longs out of that. Okay, never mind. Insta sweep. Crazy. Okay, wow. Now we're displacing like crazy. We're extremely volatile, so okay, straight up dump through that low. Looking pretty bearish right now. I think ES might also be wanting to take out this sell side. Let's see how we react. Okay. Yeah. Looking pretty bearish right now. The 4 hour. Okay, so we tap this bullish, this long zone. We do have some good things up here. Let's see if we get any longs here. Okay, so right here, not a bad long, just too slow, not good. I mean, it wasn't really good at all, to be honest. Okay, so now this looks more obvious. Also 10 a.m. open. This is really clean. Let me just see this last manipulation lag. I'm pretty sure we also have S&T down here, so that's really clean. I'll be looking for some longs. Let me just take this out. My bad, Nasdaq. Okay, so we don't have bullish S&T, rather we left some relative equal lows down there. We also already tapped into the 15. We are about to tap into a 5. I'm really convinced in this draw on liquidity. So I'll try this long right here, because I know that it's an instant break even, and I want to give it a shot. I'll try to aim for 1 hour and get out there with 90% of my position, and then I'll leave 10% running. 1 second. So 10% up to this. This is a protected high, so we'll see how we react to the bearish structure right here. But I do believe, yeah, I do still believe more in shorts. I'm just taking this because I'm pretty much confident in the break even. Also, ES structure isn't really too good, and ES still needs to tap this 15 minutes, so a pretty decent trade, like, because even if we still want to be bearish, we should still trade up there. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so here's the break even, and that's your break even. It ended up playing out full TP. Solid trade. I didn't expect it to play out fully, to be honest. I was thinking maybe 1 hour. So now we have this bearish S&T. Let's see if we can catch some shorts. Price is not too clean right now, but this is nice, to be honest. Oh, my bad. So we sweep this buy side New York AM high. We tap into the last 5 of the range and get a really good direction. We also have the sweep inside of a rejection block, which is really clean. Let's see if we have any bullish bearish S&Ts as well. We don't. I'm pretty sure we actually left equal highs. No, it's relative equal highs. Looking at the 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Okay, so we're about to tap 3 minute. I'll see. Okay. Okay, so this now looks a lot better. Let's look at the 15 minute right here. Okay, so we retapped the 15 minute that's sponsored by the 4-hour delivery and liquidity sweep. We also rebalanced the range. Internal structure is pretty decent. Let's see this real quick. Yeah, we're reacting from the OTE 15 minute as well. Let's look right here. Okay, so no 15, maybe 5, nah 3. Okay, yeah, this 3 minute I was looking at. We have relative equal highs above. Technically a protected high though. So we haven't inversed yet. Let's see one more candle. Oh fuck, I skipped too far, bro. This should have been my entry. Wait a sec. Okay, I won't be taking this anyways because ES already took my break-even point, so I don't really want to mess with that shit. Let's see, maybe some shorts right here. Never mind, it's nothing too good. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's it for this day. Let's just go into the next day. This will be the last day I'll do. Hopefully we got some good trades. We took one take profit trade, got break even though, so so we have London high, unfilled, and dog we just created, so got draws above already. Also looks like we're kind of leaving this protected low lower. Let's see if we swapped anything significant. Let me just delete all of this. Okay. That's your daily open. My bad. Right here is London. London high. Okay, we also have relative equal highs right there with a high inside of an dog, which is a really good draw as well. Looking at the daily time frame, first of all, we're still heading for the sell side, so high time frame still bearish. I could still see us being intraday bearish though. So for some scenario, I mean intraday bullish. I see this as a good point of interest. We can see we're really close to it. Okay, so ES seems stronger though. Oh my god, this mouse, bro. Like this. Mark out this fair value gap as well. 4-hour, hourly. Okay, so potentially looking for market open manipulating higher than shorting. That would be the best case scenario, even though we got some really good draws up here. But I mean, London high is pretty much unprotected. I could see some longs as well. I just kind of want to see what happens and where we manipulate. The structure going higher is not really the best. Maybe if we resweep this low resistance right here and then get a long, or maybe this is like the last point of interest for longs for what I can see right now. So I just see it looks like we'll open up lower though, so we'll see if we can catch any longs. Or let's see. Yeah, okay, so really good hammer candle sweeping this internal low inside of a 5. Also bullish S&T, great displacement on NQ. Okay, that's a huge ass candle. Yeah, last 5 is holding really well, like right here. Also bearish S&T. This is looking pretty bearish, to be honest. Let's see. Okay, good V shape. Okay, now this is not a bad long. Wait, 5 minutes. Let's see how we close. Okay, really good candle. I mean, not the best candle, but oh my god, how did thank you already take this, bro? This would be so clean. Wait, 30 minutes. Ah, yeah, damn. Let's see how close ES is to the break-even point. Let me see one more candle. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm not taking this. Let's see. Kinda getting weaker right here. Okay, so this should be lower. Oh my god, my shit is so laggy, bro. Okay, so we're holding our bearish point of interest, getting a move lower. This doesn't really seem too convincing. It doesn't look like the best day of price action. We do still have a bullish S&T. Let's see. Okay, damn. So this is a different story. We are still respecting this 15, this 5, 3 minute, 1 minute. Let's see. NQ, did we resweep? We didn't. Okay, we do have two bullish S&Ts though, internal and one with this intermediate, so that's not really too bad. Too bad. Good low resistance higher as well, leading up to draw. NQ as well, pretty good structure. Did we inverse? Yes, we did. Pretty bad candle right now though. Okay, let me try this long, to be honest. I will try it. We did leave 3 relative equal lows down there. 3 minute, 5 minute, 2 minutes. Okay. I'll just target 1 hour right here and see what happens. Let's go. Okay, should have been break even there. Okay, that's my bad for having to go back there, but let's see. Yeah, we keep on stacking low resistance. That's my bad for having to go back there. That's pretty gay, I'm not gonna lie, sorry guys. But the thing is, I'd probably go break even right there. Let me just give quick explanation. So we have displaced above these highs. I mean, not really displaced, we just swapped them out. And this is a rejection block because it reacted off of the S&T of this intermediate S&T that we made in the oh my god, with the intermediate high inside of a fair value gap, and the way we held it, I wouldn't want to see price going back into my entry after that, so that's why I just took it as a break even. Okay, so now we're starting to get some nice, but still we added this slowly. Thank you, take it. Hella, we are reacting from that though. This just doesn't look like a good day for trading, to be honest. Let's see. So it took out the low. Okay, so yeah, let's just kind of see right here. Okay, so we're heading for this low inside of this wick, becoming my drawn liquidity now. We leave protected high. We left a protected high above. 15 minutes, really not clean, no fair value gaps, nothing. 30 minute made a CISD, 5 minute. Yeah, this doesn't really look too good. Let's see. Okay, so right here, maybe pull back into a 5. Never mind, we don't even have a 5. We're about to open a 15 though. Let's see. Okay, nice. Here we just opened a small 15. Now let's see if we can catch any valid continuations right here. So Anki already tapped into it, and preferably I wouldn't want to see this get inversed. So let's see. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. As well as ES, pretty clean. Okay. Okay. I'm a big fan of this. Comes up, resweeps, and gets a really good candle. Also, what I really like right here is closing below this. This just like lets me know we're going down to this low. So right here, the only thing I care about is this, to be honest. I'll just short on NQ. I'll go stop loss on this wick. At target, I'll do 50 at 1-to-1 because we have one significant draw right there, and then leave rest running to the high time frame drawn liquidity. We'll see if we can get there though. My bad. Also, we right here we have macro manipulation into the 15 and then really good distribution lower. Let's see. We haven't gotten to the BE point. And that's your break-even trade. Wait, I have to let it play out just for because I can go break even right there. Then I'll just go back. Okay, come on, bro. Oh my god, thank god. Okay, so just go back right here. So Yes, proceed. Okay, so realize PNL 0 money made again. So another break even to break even trades right here. I'll just go over one more day real quick before I head to sleep. Let's go 8 a.m. intermediate low down there, intermediate high right here, another high right here, unfilled hand dog, fill of the hand dog. So those are my point of interest. Protected low right here. So this is our Asia manipulation. Let's see. Okay, this is nice. Good manipulation lag showing us that that is a good draw liquidity right here. This one, and also this one I like. Let me just mark this out. So daily open, 8 a.m. intermediate. Pretty sure we also have a bullish S&T right here. Okay, so let's look at the daily. Daily had a pretty decent bearish closure, as well as here we left unfilled and dog higher. We swapped out this weekly sell side, which is really good. Let's see. Okay, so could see some longs right here, to be honest, aligning with the higher time frame and what we did. Good draws as well. I think we had news. No, we didn't. Okay, so really bullish right now. 15. Okay. So also what I'm seeing, we have just kind of stacked highs right here, so I don't really see any reason for us to be bearish until we take out at least this high. Preferably I want to see continuation into all of my point of interests higher, but I just kind of look what happens. Manipulation at least into the 30, preferably, as well as on S&P, manipulation at least into the 30, 1 minute. We've started accumulating, so potential AMD structure right here. Let's see NQ real quick. Pretty much the same. Let's see what happens on open. Okay, we will. Okay, so we edge the draw on liquidity, generate more highs above. We are starting to display slower. We will probably fake out retail right here. We fake them out right here by thinking, yeah, we are heading for the highs. New York AM will be bullish. Now we just stopped everyone out. Now what we are doing, they are trying to short. They will short right here. We tap into our point of interest. Not really anything got. Oh my god, I swear if we just edge this like this, I'm done, bro. Let's see. Okay, so now start. Okay, yeah, I'm liking this. Looking at the 5, looking at the 15. Let's see. Okay, pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm liking this. So this is 5-minute intermediate low. At what time? 14:15. Yeah, we barely swapped it. Okay, all good though. Okay. Okay, so I'll try this long. Let me just see if we've tapped into equilibrium of the range already. I think we did. We haven't. Okay, so that's even better. What about ES? I'm pretty sure we should have. No, we didn't. Okay, that's really good. I'm really liking this on ES, so I'll take this trade on ES. I'll go with a little bit tighter stop like this. So I'll get out 50% right here and 50% on my high time frame draw on liquidity. So I'll leave a runner up here. Let's see what the time is. Okay, 50. This is macro open lower, now getting this reversal. I could see 10 a.m. opening up higher for sure, because 9:30 already did the manipulation. 10 a.m. should be distribution. When is this open? So 3-minute inversion right here as well. 2 minutes hasn't inversed yet, so let's see. Wait, I'm just checking Q real quick. Okay, let's see this trade. Does it play out? 1 second. Okay, so Anki still hasn't taken out this high, so I went a bit too worried. Okay, right here I'm going to break even. Good displacement candle. Let's see. So that's TP1, the rest gets break even. Let's just see if we get any more opportunities. So this is 10 a.m. manipulation lower, we get a smooth higher, sweep out that, relative equal high, so I'm looking at the continuation model right here. We're creating some internal structure. Okay, never mind, we just want to dump, looks like it. So yeah, okay, so that's gonna be it for this backtesting video. Did what I think we did 4 days, 2 break-evens, 1 partial take profit. I would say not the best price action. I traded solidly. Took my trades what I was convinced in. Skipped a little bit too fast a few times, but happens. Thank you guys for watching, and that's it.